Well, hello there. Welcome to another break here from Bounty Hunter Breaks. This is Boba Fett me, and I was out shopping this morning and stopped into my local Target and was kind of shocked to see that they actually had Chronicles football, albeit this is the 2023 draft picks version, not the 2022 NFL version. But I decided, what the heck, they only had like 3 boxes, so I grabbed 2. The only other thing that they had 2 other products there. They had Leaf Draft Football, and they had 1 blaster of that, which, again, I'm not a real huge Leaf Draft collector. And it was the one version that has, it was the black box that has 20 packs along with the 2 autographs, versus the other version that has the 10 card set along with the 2 autos. And then there's also a 3 auto version with the 10 card pack. So yeah, or 10 card set. So these here are 4 cards a pack. I think there was 6 packs a box. So they've kind of gone the other way. I think they used to have more cards in these, but now they're down to 4 cards. But yeah, draft picks. We'll see what comes out of it. I don't expect much. I should say that these have the retail exclusive Revolution inserts, which there's one right there, so that's one of them. So we got a Jahmyr Gibbs to start out with from Pinnacle. Looks like we got an Optic. That's a nice looking one. An Optic Hollow, or silver, yeah, Optic Hollow. College ticket of C.J. Stroud, so that's not bad. Obviously, it's not going to be numbered or anything. And then we have our Garrett Wilson, which is weird at the top there. It looks like it's got a print line or something. That's the Astro design. And then we have a Brian Bresee for Clemson from Black. So there's 4 different designs there. I forget how many are in draft for the different sets. There's a base Chronicles of Stroud. Another Pinnacle, Xavier Hutchinson from Iowa State. I know someone who'd like that. A Bryce Young Optic. And then a Clear Vision of Jahmyr Gibbs. I do like the acetates. Probably my most favorite one, though, for the acetates is the... I don't know if it's in this one or not, but it's... I believe it's... Yeah, it's in the regular Chronicles football, but it's the Momentum SSD. I like that one. So this is a paper version of Contenders for a ticket of Dalton Kincaid. And we have a Donruss, Jalen Waddle, which looks like the 90... Is that 93s or 92s design? But anyway, got a Keishon Butte Contenders Optic, and then a Jordan Addison Clear Vision. So far only the Clear Visions that I've seen. No magnitude or anything like that. Another paper. Zach Charbonnet. Derrick Henry, Donruss. Oh, we got an autograph? I think we got an autograph. Nope, not an autograph. Fake me out. Tanner McKee from Stanford, Zenith. And then a Joe Burrow magnitude. So there's finally a different... Oh, and there's our security tag. But these last two should both have revolutions. And there's supposed to be 3, and only pulled 1 so far. So there's our second base Chronicles. Got a Josh Downs. And then a Pinnacle Josh Downs. And then a Phoenix Chase Brown. And then an Archie Manning. There's going back in time. And that one is just a base revolution, so it's not a parallel. So I guess we'll see if that was the only one, or for the parallels, or if they get more. Jackson Smith Jigba. Tim Tebow. This should be our last revolution, unless we didn't get a 3rd revolution. But there's a Lawrence Taylor Illusions. So yeah, we only got 2 of the revolution inserts, and we were supposed to get 3. So there's a nice LT, and then a pink to go along with the regular, but not numbered. Gosh, I don't know why I got 2 there. Okay, jump into blaster number 2. And I needed to check my receipt, but I think these were like 25 bucks a box. I don't think they were much more than that. I was kind of hoping to see, yeah, because see, it says 3 retail exclusive. But, of course, it has that ever elusive language at the bottom, on average. So, you may only get, you could get 3, or you might just get 1. And you'll be happy and you'll take it. No matter what. Brian Branch. Oh, this is an auto, though. Letty Brown. That's a nice looking one. Is it numbered? No numbered. That's strange, because that looks like it should be numbered. From the what? Geez, dusty. Probably all of my top loads here are dusty. So there, I got something out of one of the blasters. Got a Tua Tagovailoa. Just a base revolution. And from black, got a Miles Murphy. So both my black cards are 2 different Clemson Tigers. That's interesting. TJ Watt on a Donruss. Jackson Smith. And I was going to say Jigba. Oh, and this has got a nice little crease or dent in it. From Classics, CJ Stroud. The bottom, I don't know how well I can pick that up on camera, but it's got a nice little dimple like somebody went and drove their nail right into it. And then we got a T-Law Clear Vision. Next pack. Got a Noah Sewell Pinnacle. A regular Contenders, Zach Evans. It's kind of like a foily version. Then we got a Lamar Jackson Zenith. And then a Marvin Mims Revolution, just a regular Revolution, not a parallel. Down to the last 3. Can we pull anything else crazy. Travis Kelce, Donruss. Quentin Johnson, Chronicles. Ooh, we got a nice Earl Campbell. That should be another Illusions. And then we got a clearly Donruss of Joe Montana, Joe Cool. That's a pretty neat one. So that's the third different acetate card. So we got the Magnitude, got the Clear Vision, and now clearly Donruss. So we got a Hendon Hooker. And then for regular contenders, Will Levis. Oh, and an Optic. Contenders Optic, rated rookie of Cedric Tillman. That's got last year's Optic design. So there's another new product. And then H.A. Brown. Again, not a parallel, just a base. So it looks like that very first one was the Astro. I think it was Astro. Last pack. Yeah, we got a fancy Chronicles base. So we got a CeeDee Lamb, Michael Mayer, Christian McCaffrey, XR. So there's another new one. That's interesting too. The XR is centered. Normally it's off to one side. And then we got a Michael Mayer, not numbered, but it's, I'm not sure what that pattern is. Looks like a plaid to me. But it's a pink parallel. So, we'll do a quick recap. All in all, quite an array of cards. But, so notable inserts or pulls. Got the Michael Mayer parallel. Again, I'm just going to call it plaid. Got the Garrett Wilson Astro Revolution. Got the Tanner McGee Pink Zenith. Again, no numbering. Got the College Contenders Optic College Ticket Hollow of CJ Stroud. And then the one auto out of the two blasters. Got the Letty Brown. And that's Prizm. And this is from last year's, right? Yeah, this is from 2022 Prizm draft pick. So he's not even a draft pick from this season. He was from last year's draft class. So these are like ones that they made but didn't release for Prizm draft for 2022. But all in all, look, I was going to do a quick count. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 different products. Anyway, that concludes this break of 2 blaster boxes of Contenders Draft Football for 2023. So hope y'all enjoyed the break and hope y'all have a great rest of your day. And as always, keep collecting.